Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Pepe itself. It has finally done it. Once again, a new all-time high. And not only that, it was able to get back to, 4 zeros in front of the price. So, we did see that happen. Of course, we were having a little bit of a hard time getting to that. But exactly as we projected yesterday, that has happened. So if you're looking at the overall markets today, we're starting to see most of the altcoins seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But if you're looking at Pepe, it's one of the top gainers, up 17.8%, right behind WIF, which is up 27%. But let's waste no more time and take a little bit of a closer look and see what really is happening with Pepe. So you can see, like I said, there's 4 zeros in front of the price right now, currently sitting at 1019, up 13.9% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum, comparative with the market cap above $4.2 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume has gone up, almost double compared to yesterday, currently approaching that $2.4 billion mark. And the craziest thing that you want to be looking at right now is the rank. It's currently ranked at that top 34 spot. So amazing stuff happening with Pepe, especially the people that have Pepe in their portfolio right now, I'm sure are really excited. But let's take it a step further, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting as we close out the month of March. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as I mentioned in our update yesterday, I kind of indicated the significance of this tweet right here from Elon Musk. The fact that he used the Pepe frog logo in this tweet is really going to bring in a lot of attention, believe it or not. And a lot of people might think, oh, Elon Musk does not know what he's doing, but I hope you guys realize he isn't stupid at the end of the day. He knows exactly what he's doing, and not only that, he also knows what the impact this has on the price of Pepe. At this point, there's literally hundreds, if not thousands, of articles, thousands of tweets that continuously on a day-to-day basis tag Elon Musk of meme coins, something that he mentions, someone goes out and makes a coin. So he knows the power he has when it comes to the meme coin market. And this tweet itself is really giving Pepe that push, that extra push to head towards an all-time high, especially breaking to that new level, which it was having a hard time doing so. But I think this right here is the huge catalyst behind the move right now, which honestly could even help it push up higher this bull cycle. Because now the conversation everyone's going to start having is, oh, does Elon Musk actually own Pepe? Does he know about Pepe? And recently he also did like 2 or 3 of their posts, so that is obviously adding more heat to the overall excitement. So that's that, of course. But if you're looking at the holder count at this time, I'm sure everyone is not surprised at the fact that the holder count is increasing. Pretty much if you look at it from February 29th, you are seeing Pepe holder count just in this upwards trajectory. You guys can see on February 29th, which was the last day of the February the month, the holder count was at 159,728, and of course March was absolutely life-changing for Pepe holders. You're seeing this coin pumping up like crazy, and yes, once again it was able to hit a new all-time high. So that's that as far as the holder count goes. Of course this does not include people that are holding Pepe on the exchanges, but speaking about exchanges, if you're in it for the long haul, especially for the next 12 months, if that's your goal to hold Pepe, you don't care about the price corrections, this and that, then what I would recommend you doing is taking it off your exchanges as soon as possible and putting it in an Ethereum wallet. It's very important. No matter how big the exchange is, you never want to be feeling confident to leave your hard-earned money on the exchanges, only for short-term trades. So if you're in there for the next 1 month or the next few days or the few weeks, then yes, it makes sense to obviously have your coins on the exchanges, but otherwise always keep it on a wallet. I cannot stress this enough. Major exchanges can get hacked, and you don't want to have that situation play out for you. But now if we're looking at the overall combined meme coin market, exactly as we projected yesterday, that is happening. You can pretty much see the meme coin market is pumping up right now, up 8.8%, in terms of its total market cap combined. We're approaching 66 billion. It could be heading to a yearly high for that as well. So obviously that is exciting. meme coins are still, not slowing down at all, and you can pretty much see the top 5 coins are, gaining traction once again. Pepe up 13.9% with a market cap at $4.27 billion, and on the weekly it's up 50%. So the momentum is definitely not slowing down anytime soon. But let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. If you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, I kind of indicated this in the other updates as well, but I know some people don't watch all of the updates, so we're going to briefly take a look at this. What you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance doing is, despite BTC hitting new all-time highs, we're still seeing the dominance hanging around here. So this is, giving you a clear indication that altcoins are still quite attractive. And speaking about altcoins, this right here is an altcoin season. Altcoin season doesn't generally mean, it has to be that parabolic, euphoria run. That is part of the game. That's usually the sign of, we're reaching the top. But we are in a bull market and we are in an altcoin season. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. If you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, look across the board. You're seeing green across the board, and this right here is an indication that we are in a full-fledged altcoin season. And of course, Pepe up almost 900% on the monthly time frame, and that is even crazy to even think about, as you know. But that's that. So if you're looking at BTC right now, so Bitcoin was able to hit new all-time high just a few hours ago at 73,500, and we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. This exact same pullback is now being supported by our previous all-time high. So now let's extend the Fibonacci retracement level to our new all-time high. There we are. So we were able to see BTC closing its daily candle around 72,500. So again, we could see more upside. I still think the steam is not done, but I think sometime this month, maybe late this month or early next month, we will see that shakeout, which a lot of people need to be prepared for. Right now, too much excitement in the space, uncertainty is really low. So obviously that is a clear indication that we cannot be getting greedy too much longer. So if you're looking at Pepe now, because that is what everyone is here for, you guys can see this for yourself. It was able to go up to this 1061 zone, and obviously what did it do? It knocked out a zero out of its price. Of course, we were having 5 zeros in front of the price before, but just a few hours ago we were able to set a new all-time high. But what I want you guys to be taking a look at is the hourly time frame, because that's where you understand as to what's really happening. So you can see this for yourself. We did see the price reclaim back above that key resistance, which I indicated to you guys in the yesterday's update, and that time around we did turn it into support. So that kind of gave us a confirmation that hold on, this could be something big. But obviously at the same time, we did get rejected at that exact same key resistance I was talking about. But we did see that push. You could see just a few hours back, we did see that resistance retested once again. But once that resistance broke out, off we go towards all-time highs. And if you want to put this move into perspective, if you picked up some Pepe in your portfolio maybe on 13th March, which was just today, at the support line, if you were just timed it at the support itself, you did see Pepe pumping up 25% after that. So momentum still there, like I said to you guys before. Like we discussed in our previous update, that all-time high could be coming, and it has arrived. Momentum still very, very strong. Obviously, do pay very close attention to BTC. I know a lot of people still are holding on to their Pepe. So now what I would recommend you doing is, if you had your stop loss placed in around here, I would increase the stop loss. So continue increasing your stop loss in case you don't want to lock in your positions right now. But obviously, if you want your positions to be safe, in the case of some uncertain events that could take place, especially with BTC, then your funds are safe and sound. So keep your stop losses in place, but increase them. That's what I would do right now if I was in your shoes. But don't put your entire position at one specific price, because usually sometimes that doesn't get filled. So I would put it in several batches. Significant support lines is where I should lock my stop losses into play. But I'm sure everyone understands that already. But do let me know down below what you guys think. I'm loving what I'm seeing, but we'll take it one step at a time. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.